Hi, in this video you will see how to make an attractive snowflake using the Thorn Stitch and the French Knots. The Thorn Stitch is a couching stitch, and so we begin by laying the foundation threads on the main arms of the snowflake. I use 6 strands of metallic thread for this. Next, I take 3 strands of cotton embroidery floss in blue color and work the thorn stitch over the foundation. I make a set of 3 on each arm. Now, I make straight stitches on the shorter arms, and this I do using the regular cotton embroidery floss. I then work the tips using 3 strands of metallic thread for the French knots. You can use any other stitch like the granitos or the colonial knots for making the dots. You can also use beads. Then I add the finishing touch by filling the center of the snowflake with a small bead pinned down by the French knot. And that's it. That is my snowflake. Thank you for watching.